Hello students, welcome to Sitaram IAS online coaching. So in this video we are going to discuss amendment of the Constitution chapter of Laxmikant Indian Polity uh, questions. Okay, let's start. First question is, which article of the Constitution provides the right to amend the Constitution? It is Article 368. Second question, can the Parliament have the right to amend the basic structure of the Constitution? No. Third question, in which case the Supreme Court said that the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be amended? It is Keshavananda Bharati case. Fourth question, is President's permission required for the amendment of the Constitution? No, it is not necessary. Fifth question, what is the special majority? So, the majority of the total members of the House and the majority of the 2/3 of the House present and voting. So, it must be more than 50%. Sixth question, what is joint sitting? So, joint sitting is where both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha sit together and discuss the bill. Seventh question, who calls both the houses for a joint sitting? It is President. Eighth question, who presides over the joint sitting? It is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Ninth question, for any constitutional amendment act, can the joint sitting be held? No. 10th question, when does the bill become act? When the President's assent is done on the bill, then that bill becomes an act. 11th question, in how many ways can the Constitution be amended? It can be amended in 3 ways. The first thing is by simple majority, the second thing is by special majority, and the third is by special majority of the Parliament and the ratification of half of the states. 12th question, what are the provisions that the Constitution can amend under simple majority? So, there are total 18 provisions under simple majority. The first one is admission or establishment of new states. This is Article 2. The second one is formation of new states and alteration of boundaries, areas or names of existing states. Third is abolition or creation of legislative council in the state. Fourth is second schedule. Fifth is quorum of parliament. Sixth is salaries and allowances of parliament members. Seventh is rules of procedure in parliament. Eighth is privileges of the parliament, its members and its committees. Ninth is use of English language in parliament. 10th is number of judges in Supreme Court. 11th is conferment of more jurisdiction on the Supreme Court. 12th is use of official language. 13th is citizenship. 14th, elections of parliament and state legislature. 15th, delimitation of constituencies. 16th, union territories. 17th, 5th schedule, and 18th, 6th schedule. So all these 18 aspects are amended by simple majority. Remember, now what is a simple majority? Simple majority is more than 50%. Okay, so yes. 13th question, what are the provisions that can be amended under special majority? So there are overall 3 provisions. So the first is fundamental rights, second is directive principles of state policy, third is others which are not covered under simple and special majority of parliament and state legislatures. 14th question, what are the provisions that are covered under special majority of parliament and state legislature? So there are 7 provisions. The first is election of president and its manner. Second is extent of the executive power of the union and states. Third is Supreme Court and High Court. Fourth is distribution of legislative powers between the union and states. Fifth is 7th schedule. Sixth is representation of states in parliament. Seventh is power of parliament to amend the constitution and its procedure. Now 15th question, what is simple majority? Simple majority is a total majority of only members present and voting. So in this type of majority, they don't consider the absentees and the vacant seats. So only the present members, and that too in that present members, if there is a total majority that is more than 50%, then it is called simple majority. 16th question, what is absolute majority? So the majority of total members, considering even the absent members, is called absolute majority. Now 17th question, who has the power to initiate the amendment of the constitution? So it is the Parliament. The Parliament has the power to initiate the amendment of the Constitution. 18th question, does the Constitution provide any time frame within which the state legislature should ratify or reject the amendment submitted to them? No. 19th question, which Constitutional Amendment Act made it compulsory for the President to give assent in the Constitutional Amendment Bill? So it is 24th Constitutional Amendment Act. 20th question, Article 368 belongs to which part of the Constitution? It is Part 20. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe it.